If you're seeing the GOG Install Error E4, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and most reliable fixes step by step. This error is usually caused by a temporary glitch, a permissions issue, a lack of disk space, or even an antivirus or internet problem. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, the simplest fix is to restart the installation. Go ahead and cancel the current install, then start it again from the beginning. Sometimes the error happens because the installer gets stuck or a temporary process fails in the background. Restarting the install clears out that glitch and gives the process a fresh start. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your disk space. GOG installs and updates can need more space than the game itself, so make sure you have enough free storage on the drive you're installing to. It's always a good idea to leave a little extra space as well, because updates, temporary files, and decompression can all use more room than expected. If your drive is nearly full, free up some space and try the installation again. Now, if the issue is still there, try running GOG Galaxy As Administrator. This is a very common fix for permission-related errors. To do that, right-click on GOG Galaxy and choose Run as Administrator. Giving the app elevated permissions can help it write files properly, access the folders it needs, and complete to install without being blocked by Windows security settings. After that, open GOG Galaxy and check whether the game files themselves need to be verified or repaired. If the game is already partially installed, go to your installed games, select the game, click the Settings gear icon, then choose Manage Installation and select Verify or Repair. This scans the files and fixes anything missing or corrupted, which is especially useful if the install stopped halfway through, or if some files were damaged during download. Another thing that can interfere with the install is antivirus or firewall software. Sometimes security tools mistake game files for suspicious activity and block them, even when everything is safe. If you're comfortable doing so, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, then try the installation again. Just remember to turn them back on once you're done testing, because security should always be restored afterward. Finally, if none of those fixes work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt downloads and trigger install errors. Restart your Wi-Fi router, make sure your connection is stable, and try again on a reliable network if possible. Once your connection is stable, the installer has a much better chance of completing without errors. So, to quickly recap, restart the install, check your disk space, run GOG Galaxy as Administrator, verify or repair the game files, temporarily disable antivirus, and make sure your internet connection is stable. One of these steps usually fixes GOG Install Error E4. If this guide helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.